Hi, this question is minimum common value. So you're given an integer array nums1 and nums2, and then it's already sorted. So you just have to return the minimum integer common, right? In the both of array, and then if there is no common value, you just return -1. So this question is like straightforward enough. So what you have to do is you have a 2-pointer, I for the nums1, j for the nums2, and you have to traverse I mean if the numbers are equal, right, which is a common value, then you just return the value, right? And if a nums ai is less than nums j, right, then you want to increment your I, right, because this is way too small, and then there's no point to increment your j because you will just keep getting bigger, right? And then if this is this is less than and this is greater, then you just j plus plus. So the entire solution is pretty straightforward, and I will have a a common value as a result, and then set to the integer.max, right? And then I will basically just return the I will basically return the return result value, and then this is the solution. So I'm say I equal to 0, j equal to 0, and then result equal to integer.max value, and then while I less than nums1 the length, and j less than nums2 the length, right? And I will just keep on track if nums1 is actually equal to nums2j, right? Then I will just say I will just set the result equal to max.min because I want to keep min my return value, right? So it's gonna be num size, right? And you just increment I and then increment j, right? Alright, so again, I made a typo. I made a mistake when I explained. I said you can return right over here, but the point is you want to keep traversing. Basically, and then since this is sorted in non-decreasing order, right? You can definitely return, but what I would do is I would just keep traversing until I break out the while loop, and yes, so they just keep going. So else if nums1 I less than nums2 j, right? So I plus plus and exactly gonna be the same solution. You can use else, right? But I would say else if and then j plus plus. Alright, so if a result value is still integer.max, then I want to return -1 because there's no common value. Else I want to return result and submit. And here we go. So the time and space are pretty straightforward. The space is constant. Time is the minimum between nums1.length and nums2.length, right? And then here we go. So again, like you can delete this, and then just return nums1 I, and this is return -1 if you cannot find it. And yeah, this is another solution, right? It should be okay. Yeah. So the time should be more efficient because you don't have to traverse all the way to the end. But again, like sometimes the array is not sorted, so you will definitely say array.sort nums1, and then same thing for the nums2, right? So this question is categorized as an easy level, but sometimes the question can be changed, right? Alright, the time and space again is still the same. Space is constant. Time is the minimum between the nums1.length or nums to the length. Alright, so I don't think you need to debug more because it's pretty straightforward. And if you still have questions, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and I will see you next time. Bye.